Today I am reviewing the Shark Upright Vacuum. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a vacuum that combines power, versatility, and convenience, the Shark Upright Vacuum Navigator Liftaway Deluxe NV360 is one of the best options available today. Designed for homes with pets, carpets, hardwood floors, and tight spaces, this vacuum offers features that make cleaning faster, easier, and more effective. One of the standout features of the Shark Navigator NV360 is its powerful suction. Whether you have deep carpets, rugs, or bare floors, the vacuum delivers consistent, strong suction that removes embedded dirt, dust, and debris. Multi-surface cleaning is seamless, so you don't have to worry about switching between different machines or tools for different floor types. The lift-away functionality is another game changer. This feature allows you to detach the main pod from the upright body, turning the vacuum into a lightweight, portable unit. With this, you can easily clean under furniture, stairs, upholstery, and other hard-to-reach areas. It's perfect for tackling dust in corners, cleaning the couch, or reaching high shelves without lugging around a heavy vacuum. For homes with pets, the Shark NV360 is particularly impressive. The vacuum comes with specialized pet hair pickup attachments, including the upholstery tool. This makes removing pet hair from couches, chairs, stairs, and even car interiors much easier. Combined with powerful suction, pet owners will find this vacuum highly efficient in keeping their homes hair-free. Health-conscious users will also appreciate the Anti-Allergen Complete Seal Technology, which works alongside the HEPA filter to trap dust, pollen, and allergens inside the vacuum. This ensures that while the vacuum cleans your floors, it also improves indoor air quality. The HEPA filter captures fine particles and prevents them from being released back into your home, which is particularly helpful for allergy sufferers. Maneuverability is another area where the Shark Navigator NV360 shines. With swivel steering, it easily navigates around furniture, tight corners, and narrow spaces. You can push and turn the vacuum with minimal effort, making it convenient to clean complex room layouts without repeatedly repositioning heavy furniture. Another useful feature is the brush roll shutoff, which allows you to switch between deep carpet cleaning and gentle bare floor cleaning instantly. This prevents scratching on delicate floors while still giving carpets a thorough clean. You can move seamlessly from hardwood to area rugs without missing a beat. The vacuum also comes with a large capacity dust cup, holding 0.9 quarts of debris, so you can clean larger areas without constantly stopping to empty it. Emptying the dust cup is simple and hygienic. Just remove it, discard the debris, and replace. The filters are easy to rinse under running water, ensuring consistent performance without complicated maintenance. Included with the vacuum are the Upholstery tool and Crevice tool, which extend its versatility even further. These tools allow you to clean corners, tight spaces, furniture, and other areas where a standard vacuum head cannot reach. For busy homes, having these attachments adds significant convenience. Overall, the Shark Upright Vacuum Navigator Liftaway Deluxe NV360 is a highly versatile and powerful cleaning machine. Its combination of strong suction, lift-away portability, specialized pet tools, HEPA filtration, and swivel steering make it ideal for any home, whether you have carpets, hardwood floors, pets, or allergies. For anyone looking to simplify cleaning while maintaining a fresh, dust-free, and allergen-free home, the Shark NV360 is a reliable, efficient, and thoughtfully designed solution. Its balance of power, maneuverability, and convenience ensures that cleaning is not only more effective, but also less time-consuming and more enjoyable.